Hello and welcome to Shar's Craft Haven. Today I've got an unboxing for the xTool P2 55 watt CO2 laser. As always, like, subscribe. There's affiliate links in the description and Patreon if that's your jam. Let's get to it. P2 has arrived, yay! Super exciting. It's a different packaging if you got the P1. So now we're gonna take off the plastic wrap. Dun, 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 dun. Oh.
That is so cool.
Isn't that so big?
It is.
This looks like material. Guidebook.
Anti-freeze. Got a funnel. We got a kit for a screwdriver kit and a couple of cords.
Oh, isn't that so sleek?
Yeah.
Oh. And this, I believe, is acrylic. I hope you've enjoyed watching the unboxing of the xTool P2. If you'd like more P2 content, feel free to click on the P2 playlist. If you would like to support this channel, there are affiliate links in the description, as well as Patreon. Thank you for all the support, and as always, have fun lasering.